environment-friendly tapes. By environment-friendly tapes, we mean craft paper tapes, which can be used for packaging as a replacement for plastic tapes. It is made out of flat back paper coated with strong adhesive as a packaging solution with special features of high adhesion strength, tear resistance, and is a next generation product for packaging solution. आजकल तो हम सभी देखते हैं कि हर कोई कोशिश कर रहा है अपने वातावरण को पॉल्यूशन फ्री और स्वच्छ रखने के लिए, फिर चाहे वो आम इंसान हो या हमारी सरकार या फिर कोई अच्छी बड़ी कॉर्पोरेट ही क्यों ना हो, तो क्यों ना हम भी इसका हिस्सा बने। Everyone is going green. The majority of paper tapes are completely biodegradable and recyclable, which makes them highly replaceable to plastic tapes that are made from petroleum, a non-renewable fossil fuel. It is an approved packing tape by US Postal Service and UPS. Its typical application include carton, sealing, packing, splicing, freezer tape, and straight line masking. It is also used in silk screening and picture framing. Craft paper tapes are generally preferred in packaging and security, pharma, white goods, e-commerce, and export industries. Our economical packaging tape meets the need of numerous industries and general industrial applications. It has a simple production process, which includes paper and adhesive. Thus, it is one of the most fundamental requirements of the packaging industry. AIPL craft paper tape is moisture-resistant flat back tape with hot melt pressure sensitive adhesive system, which is designed to offer a positive, attractive seal and excellent adhesion to minimize carton sealing failures and prevent pilferage. Paper tape offers a smart and environment-friendly way to seal boxes. Key features of AIPL craft paper tapes are pressure sensitive, tear resistant, moisture resistance, strong synthetic rubber adhesive. It is designed for use in applications where low weight of packing material is required. It is next generation eco-friendly product for packing solutions that has a smooth surface which can easily be printed with colorful customized logos, which give you better brand visibility and security. Our paper tape is basically of various types, that is self-adhesive craft paper tape, brown and white craft paper tape, reinforcement tape, plain and printed WAT. In today's time, paper tape is highly preferred as it is substitute of plastic, BOPP not allowed in exports, eco-friendly, recyclable and writable. Coming to the specification of our craft paper tape, we can offer length as per customer requirement with width of 50 mm to 100 mm. Thus, we are capable of manufacturing log with maximum width of 900 mm. The shelf life of 12 months. It is made of flat back paper material which is brown in color with minimum of 7 kg breaking strength and 850 gram steel adhesion per 25 mm. Thus, for more strength, we also have paper tape reinforced with filament called as AIPL reinforcement tape, which has water-activated adhesive. Now let's put some light on water-activated tape, also known as gum tape. Is a form of paper tape with water-based chemical adhesive that is activated by water. When the water-activated adhesive is applied to carton, a capillary action bond the tape to carton. This permanent bond is tamper resistant and tamper evident. It is used to simplify your packing operation with a proven solution. Reinforced water activated paper tape is an easy, economical solution to the range of basic carton sealing challenges. We designed this light duty, water activated gum adhesive tape to provide a strong seal to a wide variety of corrugated surfaces. The criss-cross reinforcing pattern in the backing adds strength in all directions. Coming to the feature of reinforcement tape. It is stronger than BOPP tape, eco-friendly, tamper-evident, permanent closure for boxes, secure bond, pilfer-proof, superior strength, ideal in all type of weather, great in dusty environment, excellent for heavy packages, best for sealing overstuffed cartons, recommended for cartons subject to abuse during shipping. Reinforced paper gum tapes are made by laminating fiberglass yarns between two layers of craft paper. It is important for us to understand how a reinforcement tape is better than others. Therefore, AIPL reinforcement tape has its moisture adhesive interacts with porous surface to form a powerful secure bond. It's a paper tape reinforced with filament to give it strength. Tape form a tamper evident seal that shreds if an attempt is made to pull it off before delivery. Paper construction is easy to handle, making it ideal for hand applications. Boxes are sealed secure, yet easy to open without cutting tools. We sell both automatic and manual tape dispensers. We also provide after-sale services for dispensers. Coming to the specification of our craft paper tape, we can offer length as per customer requirement with a width of 48 mm to 96 mm. Thus, we are capable of manufacturing lock with maximum width of 1250 mm. It is brown in color with minimum breaking strength of 20 kg per 25 mm. Let us know how the reinforcement tape is made. It has high clarity and very less bubble with silicon-free backing, which is laminated with fiberglass backing specially for heavy packing in economical way. It has also good resistant to outdoor weathering. Thus, it is a sandwich of two paper with fiberglass yarn, which can be applied up to 50 kg carton, which is easily printable. It is applied with WAT dispenser. In AIPL, we have two type of dispenser. First is manual, जिसे हम Better Pack 333 Plus के नाम से जानते हैं. It is a manual water activated tape dispenser that is rugged, reliable and simple to use. This dispenser is perfect to light to medium volume packaging areas and accommodates both reinforced and non-reinforced water activated tape. It is available as a non-electrical unit and also with an optional top heater accessory when increased tape adhesion is needed. Second is electrical, जो Better Pack 555E के नाम से जाना जाता है. It is an electric water activated tape dispenser, also known as paper tape dispenser, gummed or gum tape water activated tape dispenser made for fast paced shipping and packing environment. Now it is time for some question answer round. Here are answers to some of the frequently asked questions which will help you in the market. How do I use water activated packaging tape? To use water activated gum packaging tape, you will need to apply water to the bottom or non-printed side of the tape. You can do this manually by using a wet sponge included with order or by using tape dispenser sold separately. How strong is our packaging tape? Our packaging tape is made to secure cardboard boxes of many weight and sizes depending on the nature of the package. Its capabilities vary, but generally it can be used on packages that are 35 pounds or less. Does packaging tape have a matte or gloss finish? Our packaging tape does not have any finish applied, although the ink used is a polymer ink, which does have a slight sheen to it. What is the relative security of pressure sensitive tape versus water activated tape? From a security perspective, all pressure sensitive tape can be defeated with a heat source like blow dryer. Unknown to the shipper or receiver, packages can be opened or resealed. Besides goods being removed from carton due to theft, unwanted material could be placed inside, creating possible security or health risk. Water activated tape is tamper evident. Therefore, if cartons are compromised during shipment, there is generally evidence showing a compromise has been made to the carton and its content. For more detail or any kind of queries, feel free to contact below.